y'all. There are a ton of top 10 videos out there. Most of them are very general videos with generalized fishing information. There is only one other top 10 surf fishing video out there, and guess what? I made it. It has helped over 430,000 people, and today I am posting part 2 to add on another top 10 surf fishing tips that will make you one of the most elite surf anglers out there. But before we continue, if you want to be elite all year round, you want to consistently catch fish all year round, not just from the surf, but everywhere, please click on the subscribe button and hit that bell notification, and click all notifications for some of the most elite and crispiest fishing videos out here. Alright, let's begin. Number 10, find the right rod. Finding the right rod can be a pain. There are so many rods to choose from. How do you choose one? Of course, the first thing that you need to know is set your budget. A good budget rod that I've used for a lot is the Okuma Longitude 12 foot, rated 4 to 8 ounces. At the time, they used to go like $30, but I doubt it they're $30 now. Maybe 60 or 70.